Hello, I'm dancing, I have a flashlight in my mouth, and now I'm dancing with my only friend. Oh no, I'm just alone and a flashlight in my mouth, and we're just friends. Hey, shut up, please! Who am I? Ooh, the Jurassic Park. I like a ticket, please. Oh, no, you need 5. Oh, no, I'm too poor. Dude, I need money. Here's money. Oh, thank you. Come on. Let's just go. Thank you for your tickets. I thank you too. It's time to go to the Jurassic Park, where we will see lions and giraffes. Ooh, there's Brontosaurus. Wow, it's so cool. There is Brontosaurus. So awesome. The place where the T-Rex lives. Oh, the T-Rex. What a T-Rex is in front of me and he's insulting me. He's very disgusting. Now you will feel my war. Hey dude, please go, please. Please go, T-Rex. Roar! I go. Why? Dude, just ask. Just let me sleep. I didn't know T-Rexes can talk. Oh, the sneaky Velociraptors. So cool. Yes, so cool. Let's eat bananas. Oh, now I can eat a banana. Nom nom nom. Now I can drink coffee. Unk unk unk. And I'll eat my sandwich. Hey, give me this banana. I want the banana. Yes, give me the banana. Give me the banana now, or I'll smack you in the face. Give me the banana. Want banana? Then catch it. Give me the banana, dude. Come on. No bananas. Just give me the banana. Give me the banana. Give me the banana. I get it, man. Yes, I have the banana. Now I can make stuff. Give me bananas. Bananas, bananas, bananas. Hey, Velociraptors, give it back. Come on, dude. Come on, dinosaurs can talk now. Now let's eat stuff. Dude. No, you stupid Velociraptors. Let's drink coffee. Dude, give me my coffee. What is this stuff? No, leave me alone, please. Let I can sleep. No. Goodbye now. Oh, who is here? I feel something. Is it my shoe? A baby Velociraptor. Hey, let me go back to my family. No one ever catch me. Just the eye. The still catch me. Now jump on your bed. Ooh, a banana! Let me eat the banana! I need a banana! Just enough. What is this plan? Just give me one banana so I can eat it. Just get it. Just eat it. Like I'm all alone. I have no family and friends. Then you can get a banana. Just get a banana and smiling. Ha ha ha. Get a banana. Come on. It's not so bad. Eat a banana. Come on, eat a banana. Oh, banana. Banana. It's so yummy. Banana. Banana, 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 banana. I'm a monkey. I'm a banana. Yes, you are. Now I need to make lasagna for... Oh! I broke my back! You silly velociraptor. Let's play rock, paper, scissors. Oh, a finger. Now that is you put on the TV. I can live without the TV. Give the emote back. This is how you do it. No, it's too loud. Hey, making news, a monkey has been missing. He has no friends or family. He needs to come back. And his name is King Kong. We need him back because his elders are lost in the woods. No! We need to get him back. Dude, let me go, dude. Hey, what are you doing here, mate? Oh, I just come to Texas. 'Cause I'm no cowboy. I was behind you. Oh, nothing. It's just a Texas Zilla. Dude, I like it. Yes, it is a Texas monkey. Good job. Since she likes Texas. Let's go and eat bananas. Stop you there. We're gonna check your car. If you stole the monkey, you're going to prison. Okay, it's clear. Now go now. Hey, my family. You want the banana? Hide it. Dude, are you tapped something? Ooh! Hey, dude! Hello, we are gonna check your car. If you saw King Kong, you're gonna die. Yes, it's working, man. Seems like nothing is in your car. Seems like we gotta go. Yeah, you're not going to prison. Ticket, please! Here's your ticket. Thank you. And let's go. Now, good luck with your bad luck. Goodbye forever. Hey, T-Rex. Rude. Now, let's go to the Velociraptors. Hey, where's Godzilla? Dude, I found King Kong. Hey, family! Hey, we found you! We found you! Yeah! Now we can come and defeat Godzilla once and for all. Hey, dude! Come get your wiping glass! Hey, dude! Come here! What are you gonna do now, baby King Kong? Hey, we are gonna defeat him with this. Oh, good job. I'll keep it for now, and I'll give the sword of justice to you later. Now I can go finally. Hey, goodbye, Bean! Oh, life is so peaceful. Now goodbye. No!